God, he must have driven his parents nuts, you know?
I think what he does is just magical. He is an inventor. He's a musician. He's a scientist. It's almost like you can't categorize him.
We think of it as art, but he's just kind of doing whatever his crazy mind comes up with. He's kind of amusing himself. Boing.
Trimpin has that childlike love of sound and music and instruments and the unknown.
His studio is like a jewel box, and it's almost as though you have walked into Trimpin's brain.
I look at the things he does, and I can't fathom how he figures out how to do them.
Genius. Sure, Trimpin's a genius. That word was invented for him.